Hi guys, most welcome to my YouTube channel, Upcoming with MG. Thanks for being here. I am here with new interesting video. In this video today we will discuss new Chinese upcoming drama releasing in April 2020. Its cast with real ages will be discussed in this video, so make sure you watch the video till the end. If you are new then subscribe my channel. The drama name is Autumn Cicada 2020. Let's get started. His date of birth is April 11, 1989 and his present age is 30 years. Her date of birth is June 4, 1988 and her present age is 31 years. Her date of birth is May 18, 1987 and her present age is 32 years. His date of birth is May 3, 1981 and his present age is 38 years. His date of birth is July 6, 1990 and his present age is 29 years. Her date of birth is May 14, 1996 and her present age is 23 years. Her date of birth is October 19, 1991 and her present age is 28 years. His date of birth is March 30, 1990 and his present age is 30 years. His date of birth is August 24, 1987 and his present age is 32 years. His date of birth is 1989 and his present age is 31 years. That's all. I hope so you will enjoy this video. Please tell us in comment below. Please like my videos and share with your loved ones. Comment and subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks for watching.